Hi, do you have a loved one who just passed away and you have to go through a probate process to transfer ownership? And if you are asking yourself, I have this property that I inherit, I have to go through a probate process, but I really want to sell it as soon as possible. I want to sell it quickly. How can I do that? And when can I do that? So, full disclaimer, I am not a probate attorney, I'm not a financial advisor, but at Angel Home Solution, we buy houses at any condition and cash, and we work with owner who has to go through probate all the time. We recently helped a couple owner who are friend to each other, and we help one of his friend, and he referred us to another friend. He also went through a probate process. So how you could handle that is, you can try to sell it, as soon as your attorney let you know that it is sellable. It depends on your situation. As soon as it is identified that it is, the asset can be sold, you can, transaction the closing. When you consider selling, think about whether you should list it, whether you should rehab it and list with a real estate agent to earn the most cash in your pocket, or if you can rehab it and keep it as a rental. Those are the two routes that potentially, most beneficial to you. Otherwise, if you need to sell it fast with cash, because there's just a lot of thing going between, emotionally, and you're not in a state, and there are many error in the wheel, and the proceed is to be split, and there is not enough resources like money or time or knowledge to rehab the property, and you don't like to be a landlord. And if you have to consider, direct cash buyer like Angel Home Solution, give us a call and see what we can help you out. How we work in this process is, because we use cash, we don't have to go through any bank financing, bank appraisal, bank approval, all of those stuff. We can work together with you on before, even before you file the probate, right? So the typical process, the lawyer will go to the court and open up the probate and start the probate process, and then after that he will do the inventory, to the file, and open an estate, and every proceed that transfer or sold or transact will go into that estate, and there will be an announcement, there will be notification, there will be probate notification to all the heir and all the creditor, and you have to wait for a month, for any creditor to claim again the probate, the estate. And after that 4 month expire, then the final accounting can be started, and then you can proceed to the closing of the estate. But with Angel Home Solution, we can work with you even before that first stage started, and obviously we can close ASAP. As soon as the lawyers say we can close, we can do that. And there's a couple reasons why you should do it ASAP. Sometime the mortgage keep rolling, keep adding the interest, or arrear or penalty to the estate. So eventually more money will go into the bank. So if you can close that ASAP. You don't have to do all of that. There's no holding cost for you to worry about, tax, insurance, all the holding costs that a property ownership has to bear. Not to mention you might have another property, your residential property, which you have to pay every month. So it could be add up really fast. If you consider the third route, which is working with direct cash buyer, like Angel Home Solution, make sure you contact at least 3 cash buyer in the area. Some of them will be a real cash buyer, some of them will be the low baller. So be careful, and we don't know what we don't know. Maybe you could possibly run into a scam too. So make sure you work with somebody that you can trust and like, have reputation, and really know what they do, and buy the house from you directly, like we do at Angel Home Solution. Check out our testimonial, Angel Home Solution testimonial, and our review. We work with a lot of professional in the circle, real estate circle. We help a lot of people. That is our core value. There's no interest in us taking advantage of people. It is not our core value to convince anyone to sell us the property. We always want the best for you, our client. Understand that in that time of need, you had enough, and we want to commit. We want to deliver. We want to help you as much as we can, and we try to do everything up front, and we will be transparent. We'll show you all the number, how much we're going to make on the property. If you have problem with that, we are happy to walk away on day one, but if you are okay with that, we will stick with the number. We will perform on the number that we committed to, that we agree upon. Understand that that will be your expectation, and so that you can plan ahead with the rest of the estate, right? Unlike other investor, they might come in at a higher price, maybe unrealistic, and then they come back and renegotiate for the price that essentially the facts that we're gonna go through. So we like to be upfront. It is our commitment to you, and hopefully that create our relationship, and hopefully we did enough to earn your business, and also your referral to your friend who you might know in the future that could use our tool and services. At the end of this, I like to just describe the process. So if you are considering working with a cash buyer like Angel Home Solution, give us a call or fill out the form on our website at angelhomesolution.com, and then one of my guy will reach out to you, maybe myself too will reach out to you to see what your situation is, what the property condition, and what you are looking for, and then we will schedule a next appointment after we do a little bit of research on the property, and we will give you a call. So we schedule a time. Each phone call probably take about 10 to 15 minutes of your time. We'll not try to go through the process in a rush, right? We like to know who you are. We like to develop our relationship. Who we are, and start relationship that way. We are more interested in being a friend and partner, your relative, somebody that really care about you, rather than just the number. Understand, this is a relationship business, like every other business to be success, right? So we really genuinely want to see the situation, and find a way to add value to you, and then after that, the next appointment will be a walkthrough on the property. That generally take about 10 to 15 minutes, and then after everything is checked, we will let you know and proceed forward to closing. So it is very easy, and all our transaction go through our title company and escrow company, who is mutual, party, who make sure all the paperwork was done correctly. So you are protected, we are protected. Everything was done legally, the right way. So we either use Fidelity National Title, which are is a great title company, and also we use Chicago Title. Both of them are really great. They do the excellent job on protecting privacy, and they always go the extra mile. So anyway, if you are looking for any other resources, like for example, you need to take a loan, on hard money loan to rehab the property and whatnot. If you need a real estate agent that you can trust, we're happy to share our contact and referral to you. If you are looking for a probate attorney, we also have a great contact as well. Which most of our information that we got is from there. We don't just create the content without having a real reference, and direct you to the wrong path. We also have another video that talk about what are the general probate process from start to finish. So make sure you check that out. It is on our YouTube channel, Angel Home Solution, also on our Facebook too. I'll provide a link below so you can check it out. As always, if you have any question or know anyone that could use our tool, please reach out to us directly, and we'll be happy to do whatever we have to help you out. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.